Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is clock. You know that clock is in different shapes. Circle is there, square, rectangle, triangle also. See, this is the square rectangle shaped triangle clock, and see, this is the face of the clock. Yeah, this is the face. In face there are 12 numbers are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 numbers. One more thing is this, we can see in the clock, these are the hands. There are 3 hands are there. And the shorter hand we used to call hour hand. Longer hand is we used to call minute hand. And one small thin hand is there, that is second hand. The second hand continuously running in the clock. So this smaller hand, hour hand. This one minute, long hand, minute hand. This second hand. This clock, between two numbers, there are 5 small lines are there. There are 5 small lines. That small lines is called the minutes. After 12, there is one line there, that is 1 minute. So, between these two numbers, there should be 5 minutes. Between these two numbers, should be 5 minutes. From 1 and 2, then again 5 minutes. 2 and 3, 5 minutes are there. 3 and 4, 5 minutes. 4 and 5, 5 minutes. 5 and 6, 5 minutes are there. 6 and 7, 5 minutes are there. 7 and 8, 5 minutes. 8 and 9, 5 minutes. 9 and 10, 5 minutes. 10 and 11, 5 minutes. 11, between 11 and 12, there are 5 minutes. Total 60 minutes are there. That is, total 60 minutes means 1 hour. If this minute hand rotate from 1 to this 12, that means this is 1 hour it completes, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now, from between 12 and 1, there are 5 minutes, and this one we use with this one between 12 and this small one, that is this seconds are there. And 1 hour, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This clock rotates 2 times in a day. 2 times in a day. That means from night 1 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock. It is one round. After 12 o'clock is one. After in noon 1 o'clock to night 12 o'clock. That is second round. This clock rotates 2 rounds in a day. That means 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So, hope you have understood the clock. Now, I am going to teach how to write the time, how to say the time. This out, we have to see the small hand. Small hand is on which number? We have to see that shows the time. See this one, this small hand is on 7 and big hand is on 12. That means 7 o'clock. When the small hand moves to 8, that means 8 o'clock. Bigger hand should be on 12. When long minute hand should be on 12 and this hour hand should be rotate, that time it should be whichever the number it comes, that will be the time will be saved. See, this is on 8 and minute hand on 12. This is 8 o'clock. When hour hand comes to 9 and minute hand is on 12, that means now this hour hand should be on, this is 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and this both came in one, in the 12, that is 12 o'clock. One o'clock. And when this hour hand is on 1 and this one minute hand should be on 3. Hour hand should be between 1 and 2 and minute hand should be on 3. That is quarter past. Quarter past, which one? This one should be there. When hour hand is on between 2 and 3 and minute hand should be on 3, that means this is quarter past 2. Quarter past 2 means 2:15. Now our hand is between 3 and 4 and minute hand is on 3, that is quarter past 3, 3:15. Whenever the minute hand should be on 3, minute hand should be on 3, that is quarter past. Whenever the minute hand is on 12, that is o'clock, and minute hand is on 3, that should be quarter past. And when minute hand is changed into 6, this is half past. 6, this is half past. See, now our hand is between 4 and 5 and minute hand is on 6. The time should be half past 4, 4:30, and this clock rotates between 5 minutes each. Now this clock rotates the table of 5. The table of 5, this complete clock says. This one, when this 1 comes 5, when 2 comes, this is 1, 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 5, 25, 6, 30, 7, 35, 8, 40, 9, 45, and 50, 55, and in the 12 it should be 60. But when the time comes that time we won't say 60, we say 00. Okay. Now we will pass to the question 1 so that we can able to solve the problems. So now see this clock. Small hand is on 4 and big hand, minute hand is on 12. What is the time? We have to see the time. Our hand is in which number? This is in 4. And when minute hand is on 12, that is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, otherwise you can write 4, semicolon 0 0 like this. In mathematical language word you have to write 4 0 0. Same way this one, hour hand is on 9, minute hand is on 12. What is the time? 9 o'clock. 9 semicolon 0 0. This one, small hand, hour hand is on 12, minute hand is on 12. That means 12 o'clock. You can write in two ways, this way, or you can write like this also, 9 o'clock. This one 12 o'clock. Now we will pass to question number 2. See here, minute hand is on 2 and hour hand is on between 10 and 11. Between 10 and 11. Which number we will say? We will say 10. And minute hand is on 2. 2 means we won't write the 10 to. We used to write 2. See, from 12 to 1, 5 minutes, 1 to 2, 10, 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes, this is 5 minutes. 5 plus 5, 10. That means 10, 10. Otherwise, easy way, you can say that this is running with the table of 5. So, 2 5s are 10. So, we used to write the time 10, 10. Otherwise, we can write in 10 minutes past 10. This also correct. 10 minutes past 10. This two way in the textbook it was given 2 ways you have to write. One we can write 10 10 and 10 minutes past 10. Now this one, second one you see minute hour hand is in between 5 and 6. So which number you will take? 5. We should be taking 5. Between 5 and 6 we will be taking the hour hand should be 5. And minute hand is on 4. 4 5s are 20. Minute hand should be on 4. That means 4 5s are 20. This comes 20 minutes. 5 20. This one between 12 and 1. Which number you will take? Between 12 and 1 we used to take 12. And minute hand is on 10. That means 10, 10, 50. 12, 50. 12, 50. Hour hand is on between 12 and 1. We will take 12 and minute hand is on 10. 50. 12, 50. Now this one, hour hand is on 10, minute hand is on 1. Hour hand is on 10, minute hand is on 1. 1 means what? 5. 10, 5. For writing 10, 5, you have to write 0, 5. And you can write this also, 5 minutes past 10. 5 minutes past 10. If the question asks, you can write either this or either this one. Anyway, if it was not specified that you have to write in words, if the question comes write in words, you have to write this one. 5 minutes past 10. Otherwise, if the question comes write a time, you can write any of them. This one, hour hand is on between 3 and 4. So we will take 3 and minute hand is on 3. Minute hand, we should be count. Minute hand shows the time, which one? 3:15. 15 minutes past 3. Otherwise, you can write quarter past 3 also. That is also correct. Quarter past 3. Between 1 and 2. And minute hand is on 7. 7 is means 7 5s are 35. 35 minutes past 1. Now draw the hands. First you have that question, you have to tell the time. Now the time is given, you have to show the hands. Time is given, you have to show the hands. This is 9:30. 9:30 means half, just half is this, and it comes whenever the hand comes on the 12, that means o'clock, and whenever the time comes in the 6, that is 9:30. So 9:30. 9 should be, you have to take, 9 should be taken small hand. 9 should be taken small hand, and 9:30 this one's with the long hand. That is 9:30. 9:30. 20 minutes past 6. 20 minutes. 20 minutes where comes? 4. And past 6. 6 is what? 6 will be, the small hand should be shown on the 6. This is your 6, and you have to show small hand here. 6 and 20 minutes means where 20 comes? 4s are like this. Small hand should be between 6 and 7, and long hand should be on 4. Minutes past. Quarter to 3. Quarter to means long hand should be on 9. And quarter to 3. 3 means whenever quarter 2 is coming, we have, when long hand should be on 9, that time quarter 2 should be coming. That time quarter 2, and the next number we have to write. Quarter to 3, this is 2:45. This is 2:45. So the small hand should be between 2 and 3. So when long hand should be on 12, this is o'clock, that is 00. When small minute hand should be on 3, that is quarter past. Long hand should be on, minute hand should be on 3, that is quarter past, that is 15. And when minute hand is on 6, that is half past. Minute hand should be on 6, that is half past. And minute hand should be on 9, that is quarter to. When quarter to comes, then the small hand, our hand should be, says the next number. Now we will pass to next problem. How much time is passed? this question, how much time passed? There are two clocks are given. You have to see both the clock and you have to write that how much from first clock to second clock, how much time it was passed. See, in the first clock, minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 2. Now in the second clock, hour hand is on 2 and minute hand is on 1. That means here minute hand has changed from 12 to 1. Between 12 to 1, which number? How many minutes pass? From 12 to 1, how many minutes pass? That means hour hand is on 2. Here also hour hand is on 2 and minute hand has been changed. That means from 12 to 5 there are 5 minutes. 5 minutes pass. This understood? Minute hand is on 12, hour hand is on between 2 and here minute hand is on 1 and hour hand is on 2. That means your minute hand has been changed from 12 to 1. The second clock you have to see. Second clock, then minute hand 5 minutes pass. Now second. Now see here the second question. Minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on between 10 and 11. That means we used to say the time, this is 10 o'clock. And here between hour hand is on between 10 and 12. Both hour hand is same and minute hand is this is in 12 and the second clock it was in 4. 4 from 12 to 4, how many minutes pass? From 2 to 4, how many minutes? This is 12 and this is in 4. That means from 12 to 4. Between 12 and 1, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes, and this is 20 minutes. How many minutes pass? 20 minutes pass. Now third problem. First clock, minute hour hand is on between 6 and 7 and minute hand is on 12. Here hour hand is on between 7 and 8 and minute hand is on 12. That means you by saying minute hand both are same. Here first clock it is 12 and here second clock it is also 12. Now see the hour hand. Hour hand is in between 6 and 7. That means 7 and this one 7 and 8 we used to say 8. This is 7 o'clock and this is 8 o'clock. That means 1 hour passed. How many minutes? 1 hour. 1 hour, otherwise 60 minutes. That means if hour hand should be shifted to one number to other number, that means it should be 1 hour, 60 minutes should be there. You can write 60 minutes or 1 hour. Or 1 hour you can write. This also, hour hand is on 2 and minute hand is on 12. Here hour hand is on 4 and minute hand is on 12. That means both minute hand is on 12. This is 2 o'clock and this is 4 o'clock. 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock. How many minutes pass? From 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, how many minutes pass? You can write 2 hours, otherwise 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That means 60 plus 60, 120. 120 minutes pass. Any one of you can write 2 hours or 120 minutes pass. So complete in your copy. Thank you students. God bless you.